Welcome to Good to Know. When it comes to reliable cars, one brand stands out from the rest: Toyota. For decades, Toyota has consistently proven its reliability and durability, making it one of the most trusted car manufacturers in the world. In this comprehensive article, we will delve into the reasons behind Toyota's unparalleled reliability, explore the data that supports its reputation, and compare it to other car brands in terms of maintenance costs and overall performance. The secret of Toyota's reliability. Toyota's reputation for building reliable cars is not a coincidence. It stems from the company's dedication to quality and innovation. One of the key factors contributing to Toyota's reliability is its rigorous quality control process. Every Toyota car undergoes extensive testing and inspection to ensure it meets the highest standards before leaving the factory. This attention to detail guarantees that customers receive vehicles of exceptional quality. Another factor is Toyota's commitment to using high-quality materials in its cars. From engines to transmissions, Toyota components are designed to withstand the rigors of everyday driving. This emphasis on durability not only enhances the reliability of Toyota cars but also contributes to their longevity, making them a popular choice for drivers seeking vehicles that can go the distance. Furthermore, Toyota has a well-established network of dealerships and service centers, providing customers with a comprehensive range of maintenance and repair services. Easy access to genuine Toyota parts further facilitates the maintenance process, ensuring that owners can keep their vehicles in top condition throughout their lifespan. Data-driven reliability, the numbers don't lie. While Toyota's reputation for reliability is widely acknowledged, it is essential to back this claim with data. A study by iCars.com examined the average maintenance costs for various car brands over a 10-year period. The results were clear: Toyota cars had some of the lowest maintenance costs in the industry. On average, maintaining a Toyota car costs approximately $4,500 over a decade, which is significantly lower than the industry average of $6,000. This data highlights the cost-effectiveness of owning a Toyota. With lower maintenance costs, Toyota owners can enjoy greater peace of mind, knowing that they won't face exorbitant repair bills down the road. Additionally, the study showed that Toyota's commitment to quality and reliability extends across its lineup, with various models consistently delivering exceptional performance in terms of maintenance costs. Toyota, more than just reliable. Beyond reliability, Toyota cars also excel in other areas that matter to consumers. Fuel efficiency is one of Toyota's strengths, with many models offering excellent gas mileage. In an era where environmental concerns and rising fuel prices are driving car buying decisions, Toyota's fuel-efficient vehicles make them an attractive option for eco-conscious drivers and those looking to save on fuel costs. Moreover, Toyota offers a diverse range of models, catering to various needs and preferences. Whether you need a spacious family SUV like the Toyota Highlander or a fuel-efficient hybrid like the Toyota Prius, Toyota has a model to suit your lifestyle. The top reliable Toyota cars. While Toyota's overall lineup is known for its reliability, some models stand out as exceptional examples of longevity and cost-effectiveness. Among the top reliable Toyota cars are Toyota Land Cruiser, Toyota Camry, Toyota Corolla, Toyota Highlander, Toyota Prius, Toyota Tacoma, Toyota Sienna, Toyota RAV4. These models have consistently received high ratings for reliability and are popular choices for consumers seeking dependable vehicles. Cars to avoid: maintenance cost pitfalls. While Toyota shines as a brand with low maintenance costs, there are other car brands that might not be as kind to your wallet over time. BMW, Ram, Mercedes-Benz, Land Rover, Audi, Lexus, Acura, and Infiniti are among the brands that have higher average maintenance costs compared to Toyota. It's important to consider these factors when making a purchase decision, as high maintenance costs can significantly impact the overall ownership experience. The importance of regular maintenance. Regardless of the brand, proper maintenance is crucial for extending the life of your car and ensuring its optimal performance. Regularly maintaining essential components such as the engine, brakes, tires, and suspension can save you from costly repairs and breakdowns in the long run. Staying up to date with scheduled maintenance and addressing any issues promptly can help preserve the reliability and value of your vehicle. Conclusion: Toyota's reputation as one of the most reliable car manufacturers is well deserved, backed by decades of consistent performance and a commitment to quality. With low maintenance costs and a focus on innovation, Toyota continues to set the standard for reliability in the automotive industry. Whether you choose a Toyota for its dependability, fuel efficiency, or diverse range of models, you can rest assured that you are making a wise and practical choice. Prioritizing regular maintenance and making informed car buying decisions will lead to a satisfying and cost-effective ownership experience with your Toyota vehicle. Please subscribe to our channel.